Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a traditional recipe from South India, Kothavarangai Pulikootu. Kothavarangai refers to these cluster beans, also known as gavarfali in Hindi. Let's see how to make it. Here we have about 250 grams of these cluster beans. You just trim the edges and then chop it into small pieces like this. Now in your kadai, heat some water and add this chopped cluster beans. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and salt. Now allow it to cook till the cluster bean is nice and soft. Meanwhile, in my pressure cooker, I have cooked some rice. Here I had soaked some black channa, about 2 tablespoons. I had soaked it overnight, kept it ready. So we have boiled the channa also and also cooked some Tuvar Dal till it is nice and soft. First mash the cooked dal very well like this. So our rice, Tuvar Dal and boiled black channa is also ready. In case you don't have this channa, don't worry, you can even add a handful of groundnuts to the pulikootu, that also will taste good. See, let's check the vegetable. It has cooked well and it has become soft also. Now to this, add this boiled black channa to it and half a teaspoon of tamarind paste. If you don't have tamarind paste, you can just soak a small amla size piece of tamarind and extract the juice. This just makes it easier, that's why I have used this tamarind paste. Just add a little more water to adjust the consistency. And allow it to boil again for another 5 minutes till the raw smell of the tamarind goes. Along with it, I am adding 1 teaspoon of homemade sambar powder. Also add in some fresh curry leaves. I am adding a few crystals of hing. If you have hing powder, you can substitute that too, no problem. From the cooked dal, I have kept a small portion aside for the plain dal to mix with the rice. The remaining cooked dal, see now the koot is boiling very well after adding the tamarind also. Now we will add in the cooked dal to it. I have just added a little bit of water to remove out all the dal from this. Now again just let everything come to one boil. See, our pulikootu is boiling very well now and it has reached the correct consistency. Now we can switch this off. This is known as Kuzhambu Vadam or Sambar Vadam. In Hindi it's called as Dal Vadi, I think. In summer we make a dal paste and dry it out in the sun. It has got salt, red chillies, everything in it. So now we'll fry this very well in oil and add to this koot. Add this Kuzhambu Vadam to the hot oil and allow it to fry very well, nice and crisp. That's it. Now you can drain out from the oil and add it to the koot. Drain out all the oil from the kadai And now take about 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut and just dry roast it in the same pan over a low flame. Be careful not to burn the coconut. It should just lightly change color. Switch it off and add this roasted grated coconut also to the coated. Finally, for the tempering, just take about 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, and just 1 dry red chilli. Wait for the dal to become a little brown. Now we will just pour this tempering on top of the pulikootu. See, now our pulikootu is all done and ready. After we add the coconut and this Kuzhambu Vadam, everything, it also thickens up a little bit. Mix it well. If you feel it is too thick, you can add just half a cup of water, because the consistency should be like this. It should not be as flowing as a sambar, nor too thick like this, but it should be a slightly flowing consistency. This is perfect now. So now we can switch this off. Before serving, I am just adding a pinch of salt to the plain dal and mix it well. To serve, we have some steaming hot rice. Add some plain salted dal on top with a little bit of ghee on top. Now serve this pulikootu at the side like this. As always in Geeta's kitchen, we try to revive all our traditional and sometimes long forgotten recipes too, so that today's generation can enjoy these tastes also. Simple homemade style of recipes which are very healthy and full of nutrition too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's kitchen. Thank you.